Ready to unlock a world of seamless communication solutions? This video will guide you through the simple steps to register and verify your Plivo account, giving you full access to its powerful features. First, navigate to the Plivo website. You'll find the link conveniently located in the description below. Once you're on the Plivo homepage, locate and click on the Sign Up or Free Trial button. This will take you to the registration form. Fill in your details, including your first name, last name, a valid email address, and a strong password. Next, select your country from the drop-down menu and enter your phone number. Make sure to use a phone number you have access to, as you'll need it for verification. Read through Plivo's terms of service and privacy policy, and if you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Finally, click the Create Account button to submit your registration. Now, head over to your email inbox. You should have received an email from Plivo asking you to verify your email address. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email from Plivo and click on the Verify Email button or the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Plivo website. Congratulations, your email address is now verified. You might be prompted to provide some additional information, such as your company details or proof of identity. Depending on your intended usage, follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. And that's it. You're now registered and verified on Plivo. You can explore the dashboard, purchase a phone number, and start building your communication applications. Enjoy unlocking the full potential of Plivo.